Welcome back to All About Food. If you're new here, hi, I'm Christie.
For today's video, we're going to make oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. We need 4 tablespoons muscovado sugar, 250 grams Australia Harvest Oats. You can use instant or pre-cooking oats, 150 grams Goya milk chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon vanilla, half a cup Anchor butter, cut into cubes, and soften. 1 tablespoon baking powder, silicone spatula, measuring spoon, mixing bowl, wax paper, and baking pan, and 2 eggs. Preheat your oven. In a mixing bowl, put your Achor butter. Add Australia Harvest Oats. Add eggs. Add 1 egg, one at a time. Then add 1 tablespoon baking powder. Add vanilla extract. This is optional. Add 4 tablespoons muscovado sugar. Mix it well until well incorporated. Then add Goya milk chocolate chips. You may not use some chocolate to decorate your cookies later. Mix your cookie dough until chocolate chips are evenly distributed. Form your cookie dough according to your preferred sizes. add more chocolate chips. To know more about this and other recipe, you may follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Bake it for 12 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or until the edges of the cookies are slightly brown. Put it on a cooling rack. Let the cookies cool completely. Our finished product, oatmeal chocolate chip cookies.
If you are looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majingo Food Services. The link is in the description down below. Thank you very much to all my subscribers. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.